Mm. I transitioned young for a transsexual in 1985. I was 19, and in 1983 I started going to psychiatrists and taking hormones. I really had to fight. I would have transitioned at 6 if I could have, because I knew what to do. Had they transitioned me at 6, which of course they would never have, would I have lived in the century where the golden castratos were? I would have, because I sang well as a little boy. But I don't want to go there. Would they have transitioned me at 6? They would have done a greater job keeping me in the closet. You're a woman now. Be normal. Be good. Now I've only always heard, you're brave, you're so brave. And since a few years I feel brave. I've learned to not be proud of my lifestyle because I don't make any money. I'm just peculiar, very special, and brave. Making art, living life as a transsexual, always telling, not always, I mean, not having it tattooed on my forehead, enjoying the chance and the right to tell it to people myself. When you want to become a woman, and you become a pretty one, then at least be successful. But don't talk about it. Don't talk about it. Please. And I couldn't not talk about it. I had the excuse, like, this is heavy, what I'm going through, what I chose to go through, and it's my life. Regrets, also a nice one. I've been chewing on that for the last 15 years. When people ask you if you regret it, you say no, and they look at you as if they and how the only thing you can gain is presence. You will not be taken seriously I'm not talking to you, but when you've never really thought about it or never really regretted it, I think being a woman or being a man is also wondering what it would be like. And I think it would be immature. I think it's different for you, Sarah, and for people who make their transition late. I think they would know, maybe even have been married or have had children or something like that. But when you transition at 16, 17 and have your operation at 19, and when you would have had it when you were a 6-year-old, I think it would be healthy to let the man inside grow along. And that has always been so shocking to people when I say that. No, I'm a man too, still. It's important to me that I am, that I see life from both sides. Although I really chose to have a vagina and to have breasts and to wake up every morning and feel that I'm no longer having, well, let's say a trans-American like, an outie, but an innie, and that it really feels good. But there's also still the nerve ends of the penis that have grown back to the surface and make me still also feel like I have a penis. And I also have a vagina. I wouldn't for the world deny that to me or anyone. But anyone doesn't really like it. They love to tell me, you're a woman now, or you've always been a woman to me. You're such a beautiful woman. To me, you are a woman. I know this is a little Calpurnia-like, and it's, I think, true for young transitioners. No, I'm 42 now, but it's an issue of great importance to me that that I am a woman, a strong one, also because I am also a man. I have no problems to tell people or children who ask me, are you a man or a woman? I am a woman, but I was born as a man. No, then now you're a woman. No, to me you're still a man. Oh, well, you're a very beautiful woman now. I wouldn't think of you any otherwise ever. Promise. Cross my heart and hope to die. Well, don't. And I know you don't know how to handle me or place me. Isn't that special? Isn't it wonderful when for once you don't have to? No, it's difficult. Oh well. luckily not